Alright, so I'm pretty sure that you guys have been recommended videos such as like how much I've made as a YouTuber for 30 days, for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, or me being a YouTuber in a specific niche, right? I'm pretty sure most of you guys have been recommended such videos in your YouTube homepage, at your recommended feed, right? And I just want to share with you guys as well as to how much I've made, right, as a YouTuber. As a YouTuber of 1 year, I started this channel around February, if I'm not wrong, early last year. So this channel is around 1 year old, right? It's almost hitting the 1 year mark. And then, yeah, I just want to give you guys like a quick update because this channel is all about honesty and transparency. And I want to share with you guys how much you guys can actually earn, right? How much you can actually make money online as a YouTuber, or at least using YouTube as a form of a marketing tool to whatever it is that you're trying to sell or promote, whatever digital product, whatever service, whatever physical product. This is, something that I want to share with you guys. So hopefully I can shed some light, shed some real truth, raw truth to you guys. Alright, so first things first, let's just go straight into my YouTube channel. So over here you guys can see I'm currently at 991 subscribers. 991 subscribers after close to a year. I believe I started my channel on, let's see, February 13th, 14th, 13th. Yeah. At this time of recording, it is 12th of February, right? Exactly 1 year. Yeah, this is 2024. That's right. So this personal channel of mine, it is 1 year old so far. I mean, when I were to upload this video, I'm pretty sure it's going to hit the 1 year mark. I mean, here and there, right? I did, decrease in subscribers. People do unsubscribe. It's natural. It's normal. And then obviously some people subscribe as well. So you guys can see over here, all of a sudden I kind of like saw a spike in my subscriber count around at the April period all the way up to May. Yeah, so April was a relatively good month. You guys can see right here. That's where I gained most of my subscribers actually. And then from there on, it is still growing, but it's not as fast as compared to the month of May. I believe around this period, right, I kind of like had videos where it kind of like went semi-viral. It's not exactly viral, but it did better than the videos that I was posting over here at this period, February and March. Yeah. So at April, I guess the algorithm picked up my video and then started to push out my videos to more people, to other people to watch, right? So throughout the entire year, you can see, right? I'm also quite consistent. I've been posting videos for a year and I've been consistent with it. So at least 1 week, I try to post at least one video. There are some periods where I actually posted 3 videos in a week, 1 to 3 videos. That's always my, my timeline as to how many videos I post in 1 week. Yeah, but at least 1 video a week. Yeah, no matter how busy I get, I always try my best to at least upload 1 video a week. So it is still steadily growing, right? You guys can see over here, and it has been in the 900s for the longest period of time. And yeah, I mean, for this part, right, I'm still uploading, right? I'm still uploading videos, but not too sure why it's not exactly picking up, but it's still growing. I'm not complaining, right? I'm definitely not complaining. As long as it's growing and it's not slowing down, then hey man, that's good. That's most definitely a good sign. But if I'm not wrong, right, 991 is actually my highest subscriber count so far. I've never hit 1000 subscriber count over here at this channel. So it'll be quite interesting and exciting to see it hit the 4-figure mark, right? So I'm still working on it. Hopefully, within the next few weeks, I'll be able to hit 1000 subscribers. That's my goal. Let me just show you guys something. Alright, so over here, you guys can see, in order to be eligible to be monetized, we need to have 1000 subscribers and one of the following, which is either the public watch hours or the public shorts views, right? So in order to hit the monetization requirement, we need 4000 public watch hours, and then we also need like 10 million public shorts views. Yeah, so I mean, you guys can see right here for shorts, right? I only recently just started posting on shorts. And yeah, because I heard that, if you were to post more shorts, you'll be able to gain more subscribers, which it did work for my other channels, which I tried before. Most of the time, if you were to post shorts, right, you tend to get more subscribers, but it's a different kind of viewer, right? Different kind of audience. That's a different topic. But to grow subscribers, right? Recommended to do shorts because more people actually tend to subscribe to your channel if you were to just post shorts. Then for my public watch hours, I'm like 1.948 of public watch hours. I still have like 2,000 more hours to go. Halfway there, right? Halfway there, around there. So still quite a stretch. So if I were to hit one of the goals, which is to hit 1,000 subscribers, that'll be good, man. That will be proper ideal. That's my goal for now. At least for this year. Yeah, so for this year, hopefully I can actually monetize this channel officially. So thank you guys. Subscribe and do all this good stuff. Thank you very much. Because this is called monetization, right? So how we're going to be earning money? Ad revenue, right? Basically ad revenue, Google AdSense, all the stuff. And then the other way to monetize this channel would be sponsored deals, right? Sponsored brand deals, all this good stuff. But the thing that I really want to bring home is that we need to be selling our own products, right? Because all this stuff, right, we are really heavily depending on the algorithm, right? We are really trying to look for the next viral content in order to go viral and then to get views, and then that way we'll get paid, right? But that's not really the most sustainable way to predict your income, right? Because I mean, being a YouTuber alone, right, is already quite unpredictable in terms of income, and we never ever know when our social media accounts will be taken away, and then if our channel is going to be relevant to people still want to watch us. So all those stuff, right? It is kind of like it reflects on your ad revenue. So that is very, very, very scary. Let's just put it that way. So in order to counter that, in order to not let that happen, we have to be selling our own stuff, right? Selling digital product, physical product, service, whatever it is, right? Whatever online stuff that can kind of like give us more of a predictable type of revenue. Yeah. So basically controlling our income, that's more important, right? That is most definitely important. Okay, so another thing that I want to say is that I tried to monetize, right? I tried to give out affiliate links, affiliate deals, things like my previous videos, right? I tried to make money online videos, and then there's some affiliate links over there. And then if you guys were to click on it, you guys were to sign up and actually use their service, I might get a cut, right? I might get a commission from it. But in all honesty, right, I actually haven't checked any of them. I mean, I never really received any email, so I kind of like assumed that I did not get any affiliate cards from there. I was actually running a school community, SKOL, right? School community. That's actually what I was doing for the most part. But let's just say that it didn't really go according to plan. It didn't really hit the numbers that I want to see. So I kind of like closed it down temporarily, right? Temporarily. I might come back. Who knows? But the other thing that I want to mention as well is, alright, quick break. So if you guys want to start an online business, but you guys just don't know which one to start or don't know what to start, or you guys maybe have an idea, but you guys are just like still lost and stuck and confused and overwhelmed with all the information that is out there online, hey man, I got you guys. So I've got these digital product ideas. Alright, I have like 1,372 of them. Okay, 1,372 digital product ideas. I have a list of them, and you guys can go through every single one of them, and there are like different categories of all kinds, from entrepreneurship to gardening, health and beauty, things of the nature. The list goes on and on. So you can most definitely find something that is right up your alley, for sure, right? For sure, because there's like almost 1,000 plus, right? So take a look. Okay, it's gonna be at the link at the description box down below. I'm gonna list it below, and if you guys are interested, it is free. Okay, so click on it and you'll get free access to it. And it's not only that, right? There's still other resources inside. That's all free. That's all related to building your first online business. Okay, so it's just a place where it will help you, from start to finish. Okay, from building your online business all the way from start to finish, giving you the ideas, telling you how to start, telling you how to run it, how to operate it, and then ideally how to scale it as well in the future. Okay, so click the first link at the description box down below, and I'll see you guys inside. Alright, so back to the video. So sorry to disappoint you guys. If you guys are expecting some big numbers, right, like all of the other YouTubers, I apologize. I'm sorry that this is not that type of video. This is not one of those videos that went, I don't know, man, not to say viral, but it's not as successful as you guys may think, right? Because all the other videos I saw, they're always talking about how much they're earning as a small YouTuber. Maybe they're not monetized yet, right? But they're kind of like selling some kind of a product, some kind of their servicing, some kind of their coaching offers, things of the nature. I don't really have it, right? I don't really have it over here just yet, so I don't really have that kind of numbers to show you guys, to share with you guys. Yeah, so hopefully this is just another way of me being transparent and honest for you guys, to show you guys what is really the truth, right? What are the other YouTubers earning? How much can you really earn as well? Or whether or not do you even earn as a YouTuber, right? So hopefully this video shed some light for you guys, and it is helpful for you guys if you guys are wondering, or if you guys are curious about how much can you really earn as a small YouTuber of 1 year. Obviously, if you guys want to subscribe, you guys want to help me get monetized, subscribe, like, comment, share, right? Yeah, all those good stuff. And if you guys want the free digital product ideas, it's going to be at the link at the description box down below. If you guys are interested in it, you guys want to start your first online business, but you guys just don't know where you want to start, click the first link. I will give you guys some ideas, and from there on, you guys can use the entrepreneur playbook. All right, and inside it will have all of the, basically from start to finish, right, A to Z. Whatever you guys are thinking about starting your own, your first online business, all the questions, every single thing, every single detail are laid out inside. It is all answered. Okay, all of your questions is going to be answered inside, and it's basically something that I wish I had when I was just starting out. All right, so see you guys inside.